Mexican style.
Adjustable too.
Adjustable. For the torch setup, we'll adjust it for the, just make it, just open it up. You can put up the little generator, you know what I'm talking about? Something light. Whoever told me that's an asshole. The knob fucking is broken, but it works. So I'm gonna see if I can return it. Little oven. Some of you turned it off, but I was checking to see if it worked. Something light, crucial. Get your rods in there. Just testing it out, you know, before we start getting down a bit, coming soon.